Starting a profitable business in 2025 requires focus, creativity, and a structured approach. Let's explore 3 realistic business ideas that could help you generate $100,000 this year. First, consider building a digital marketing agency specializing in AI integration. Begin by mastering essential tools like ChatGPT, Canva Pro, and Meta Ads Manager. Set up your agency, create a professional website, and reach out to small businesses offering free audits to build your portfolio. As you grow, scale by hiring freelancers and leveraging paid ads to secure consistent clients. Next, dive into the world of e-commerce with print-on-demand or private labeling. Start by researching trending products on Google Trends and Etsy. Use platforms like Shopify and Printify to create and sell custom designs. With effective marketing on social media and partnerships with micro-influencers, you can steadily grow your online store and scale sales. Finally, tap into the online education space by creating and selling courses. Choose a topic with clear value like growing a TikTok brand, and design an engaging curriculum using tools like Teachable. Build your audience by offering free lead magnets and hosting webinars. Over time, expand your offerings with advanced courses and one-on-one coaching to maximize profits. With dedication and consistent effort, each of these businesses can help you achieve your financial goals in 2025. The key is to start small, test, and scale strategically. Etsy or Amazon to research trending products. Step 2, set up your store. Use Shopify for e-commerce or platforms like Etsy for handmade products. For print-on-demand, partner with services like Printify or Printful. Step 3, create winning products. Focus on unique designs or private label products that stand out. Leverage AI tools for product mockups and ad designs. Step 4, market your store launch, targeted ads on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Collaborate with influencers or affiliate marketers in your niche. Step 5, optimize for conversions. Use A/B testing for product pages and email campaigns to improve sales. Upsell with product bundles or limited time discounts. Step 6, scale your business. Reinvest profits into ads and expand your product line. Automate fulfillment with tools like Oberlo or inventory management systems. Third online course or coaching business. Step 1, define your topic and audience. Choose a niche where you have expertise, e.g. fitness, finance, marketing. Identify your ideal audience, e.g. beginners, professionals, hobbyists. Step 2, validate the idea. Conduct surveys or use platforms like Quora and Reddit to gauge demand. Pre-sell the course or coaching to test interest. Step 3, build your course program. Use tools like Teachable, Kajabi, or Thinkific to host your course. Create structured modules with videos, PDFs, and quizzes. Step 4, market your course or coaching. Use webinars, YouTube videos, or TikTok content to drive awareness. Build an email list with a free lead magnet, e.g. ebook or checklist. Step 5, price and sell. Set a competitive price, $297 to $997 for courses, $1,500 plus for coaching. Offer payment plans to make it accessible to more people. Step 6, scale for growth. Automate sales funnels with email sequences. Create new courses or upsell advanced coaching for returning clients. Key to success for all ideas. Consistency. Focus on daily efforts to grow your brand and audience. Reinvestment. Reinvest early profits into better tools, ads, and team expansion. Networking. Build relationships with industry leaders, influencers, and clients.